Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Okay, so I got 2 more subscription boxes in today, so I guess we're just gonna get into it. I got Ipsy and I got Glossybox, so I don't know why they've been coming in sporadically, but they have been, so I guess it is what it is. Okay, so what should we start with first, Ipsy or Glossybox? We'll start with Ipsy. It's in my hand. And as most of y'all know, Ipsy and Glossybox are just monthly subscriptions. One of them is $20, $21, which is Glossybox, and one is $10. I think I pay yearly for this one. I don't pay yearly for Glossybox. It's like $2.39 or something like that. All the info will be linked down below, my referral codes and everything, so if you want to sign up, you'll get points, I'll get points, and whatnot. So everything you need to know will be down below. There'll be a link, so yes. Okay, let's just get on into this. Oh, that's a cute kind of bag. That's cool. Kind of looks 80s to me. I don't know why, but it does. Okay. And I have already filmed a couple videos today, so if I'm wearing the same outfit in another video, that's why. I have to pre-film because otherwise I would never get it done. Okay, so, and here is a little card. It doesn't tell you. That's the only thing I don't like about Ipsy. I love the subscription service, but I don't like the fact that they don't put information on their card. They don't just give you the price, they don't give you the brand, they don't give you how to use the product. That's the only thing I don't like. But that's just me complaining. It's okay. I will get over it. Okay, the first thing I see is, what is this? The Bella Pierre Cosmetics Stay Put Brow Gel. Okay, that's, okay. So is this like a pomade of sorts? See, this is why I need information. I don't know really what this is. Is this like a pomade, or I guess I'll have to look it up and figure it out, because I don't know. Okay, and here's a little brush. I don't know if you can see that, but literally like the tiniest little brush ever. Kind of reminds me of the Benefit new thing like this. I'll put in a picture here if I can. Looks just like this. Okay, well, we'll have to try it out. I don't know. I may have to look up some information about it. I don't know. And this is, what is this? I have no idea what this is. Fierce Flicks? What is this? It doesn't say. Why does it not say? Maybe it's an eyeliner? I don't know. It doesn't say. Another reason why I wish that they would give a card that told what it is. I'm pretty sure this is a liquid liner, but it's from Ciate. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. So, and what is this? Glow for a Cause butter or body butter dream. Oh, okay. Let's see if it smells. It doesn't really have much of a smell. Like, it smells clean. We'll just say that. It smells clean, like you just got out of the shower. It looks kind of thick. Oh, it is thick. Wow. Okay, I might really enjoy this. I love lotion. Love lotion. Oh, I didn't show it to you. I need to show it to you. And Purely's Blue Lotus Seed Mud Mask and Exfoliant. It's a 10-minute facial. Okay, gently resurfaces, detoxifies, brightens, and tightens and smooths for all skin types and sensitive. Okay, all right, and it's preventative as well. The benefits are I can't talk today. This weekend I have just been like all kinds of like, I can't even tell you. Oh my god. Okay. Back to the point, Destin. Blue Lotus Extract is a powerful antioxidant. White clay purifies pores. Bamboo gently exfoliates. Ginger detoxifies. Mushroom brightens skin. White tea soothes skin. Rice bran water promotes clarity. And the rituals. Well, you know how to use a little mask like this. Start with cleansed skin. Apply a thin layer to face, neck, and chest. Set and dry for 10-15 minutes. Remove mask with water. in water with water, tomato. And gently settle the... I don't know what's wrong with me today. If you're still here, thank you. I don't even know. Remove mask with water in gentle circular motions and use 2 or 3 times a week. Well, alright then. Sounds like I might enjoy this. And what is this? Oh, is this the Mary Luminizer? Jaclyn Hill talked about this a long time ago, and I've never gotten a chance to try this. This looks like it might be awesome. Ooh, girl. Look at that glow. Oh, beautiful. Okay. And I'll be honest, the last Ipsy bag I got, I did not enjoy. I put that in my little box of stuff that I'm probably going to let my mom or my niece look through. And I actually kind of like this box, or this bag, this month. Okay. Not bad, not bad. Some of it I got to figure out what it is. Like these 2 items right here. If you got the Ipsy this month and you know what these are, like, is this a brow pomade? It says it's a brow gel, but I don't know. It looks a little dark. We'll see. I don't know. And is this an eyeliner? If you already got your Ipsy bag, let me know what these are. I think they're an eyeliner and like a brow pomade, but I don't know. Alright. That's a cute bag though. Coffee break. Yeah, I drank my coffee through a straw, trying to prevent stinging my teeth. I've been drinking coffee since I was very young. My mom doesn't like for me to tell people how young I was when I was drinking coffee. The 90s were a different time. And now for Glossybox. Okay, and the first thing I see, it says velvet. I don't know what this is, but looks like that. Velvet eyewear. What is this? Velvet Sunnies? I'm very confused. What is that? I guess I'll find out in a second. But it's a $25 gift card. I mean, that's cool, but I don't know what Velvet Sunnies are. Okay, and we'll look at this in just a second. If I remember. Sometimes I remember, sometimes I don't. And I will be honest, last month I was not too thrilled about my Glossybox either. However, my Glossybox from December, I did receive a makeup. It's called a makeup drop. It's like the silicone sponge thing, not a beauty blender. I don't have it in here. I was not going to use it until I watched one of Amy Lynn's last videos where she said that she does not like hers for makeup application either, but she found that she likes hers for applying those little mud masks and whatnot. And I tried it, and it actually does work out. I found that I like to apply it and then spread it out with another brush or my fingers or whatever. It doesn't spread it out that well, but it actually applied it well. Okay, I like that. So, yeah. Amy Lynn, thank you for that little tip. Love it. Okay, so back to Glossybox. And the first thing I see is this Buxom Big Tease. Oh, so it's a mascara. Okay. That's cool. I've never tried anything from Buxom that I know of, so this is kind of awesome. It looks like that. Pretty packaging. Well, for a sample. I don't know if this is a sample or not, but that's cool. Okay. It says plumping, big voluminous lashes, plumping formula for full voluminous lashes, velvety texture, cuts long lavish lashes from root to tip, glossy black pigments, thicken and intensify. Okay. We'll try it. I've got like so many mascaras to try. The next thing I see is this Botanicals vegan friendly. Oh, okay. It's a Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. You know I love my facial oils. Love it. Okay, that's awesome. I'm probably really excited for this. So far I'm liking this box. Last month I did not like it that much. I was kind of very disappointed. Ooh, okay. And then Purity Dewdrops Hydrating Eye Gel. Okay. After a long dark winter comes an intense burst of continuous summer light. Okay. I'm sorry if you can hear my husband. Again, I'm sorry if you can hear my husband. I can't really open this at the moment. Well, can I? Let's see. Okay, so the packaging looks like this. Alright. I cannot wait to try this. How do you use it? Like, what are you supposed to do? Okay, helps hydrate the delicate eye area enriched with pure Arctic spring water and potent birch sap. This fragrance-free formula works to reduce the appearance of puffiness and under eye circles. How do you use it? Like, what are you supposed to do? Well, it doesn't say. Okay, we're just gonna hope in the booklet it says it. I'm excited about that. I love anything hydrating. Y'all know that. It's snowing? Is it snowing? Oh, shit. Dude, okay, and this is a THRU Marula Oil Transforming Hair Serum. Okay, and I'm gonna like this too, because I love hair oils. All hair types, sulfate free. Well, that's awesome. Alright. I think I'm happy with this box now. Last month I was not, like I said a second ago. Excited about that. And this Steve Laurent lip gloss. Okay, I haven't tried anything. No, that's a lie. I did try something from Steve Laurent. Let's see. Ooh, this looks like a pretty color. Dusty Rose lip gloss. Ooh, that's pretty. That's pretty. It's super, super sheer. I can't even swatch it. It's so sheer, but I can't wait to try that. Okay. It's probably going in my purse. I'm going to have to try that. Okay. I'm going to go through this. Okay. Fresh Face. Okay, so the Purity Dewdrops, they retail for $14.99 and it's 5 ounces. Bye-bye dark circles. The Purity Dewdrops revives the delicate eye area while making you look and feel more awake, featuring natural extracts and advanced hydro technology will keep your skin moisturized throughout the day. Okay, natural ingredients like birch sap, pure Arctic spring water, and vitamin B5 reduce the appearance of dark circles in this fragrance-free formula. So I guess you just apply like you would normal eye cream. And then the Steve Laurent lip tint in Dusty Rose. So that's why I couldn't hardly even swatch it, because it's just a lip tint. And it retails for $22. Kind of pricey, but we'll see how I feel about it. Think pink with this luscious lip tint, which will impart the perfect flush look on every skin tone. Both shiny and non-sticky, the lightweight formula is also deeply hydrating. For a barely there tint of color, use a finger or lip brush to apply this tint. Awesome. And then Dr. Botanicals, the facial oil, it retails for $58.50. Most oils do. Vegan certified, Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil comes packed with antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins. Not only will the lightweight formula brighten tired skin, but it will also protect from future damage. Perfect for anyone seeking a shortcut to a healthy complexion. Okay, so it's like super good for you. And the hair serum retails for $26. This is what dry hair has been thirsty for. Marula Oil Transforming Hair Serum goes deep into the hair follicles to restore moisture and strengthen the cuticles. As you apply this special serum to dry or damp hair, watch as it transforms into vibrant, softer strands. Okay. And then the Big T's Plumpy Mascara by Buxom retails for $22. And it says, bada boom, big lashes. What else can the girl ask for? Buxom's Big T's Plumping Mascara imparts larger-than-life lashes without any clumping. Containing 3 performing waxes and a conical shaped wand, you'll enjoy a smooth application and base to tip intensity. Use the tip of the mascara wand to coat your lashes in an X formation, amplifying each lash with a 360 plump effect. Oh, okay. I'll have to try that. Okay, you guys, so I think that is the end of this one. I only got 2, but I'm just doing them as they come, because if I didn't do that, I don't know when I would be doing this whole thing, but whatever. So So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want a review on any of this stuff, let me know. I'll be glad to do it for you. Or if you want a review on anything else that I haven't done or any other video that I haven't done, let me know. You guys know I'll do it for you. Be happy to. And if you're new, please hit that subscribe button. I'd be so happy. Because I do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So please come on back to my channel for new content on those days. And, yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, of course. And, yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye.